Hello children, this is for 6th standard social science geography lesson, the universe and solar system. Yes, I hope that you understood that lesson. Yes, now we are going to see this lesson in detail as a revision. Yes, by next week you will be writing, you are having unit test, you are writing it for 25 marks. For that I am going to give the revision. Already we have sent the notes for this lesson. I hope everybody has written in your classwork. Just you take your classwork and also your book, and also you take one pencil with you. Yes, while I am giving that revision, you repeat. Yes, you repeat each and every word with the spelling, and you practice it. You write hard words 1 2 times, 3 times like that, and you write the home test also. Yes, then only you are able to write the unit test in a proper way. Everybody can get above 20 marks if you concentrate during this period. Okay, yes, understood children? Now take the notebooks. Yes, evaluation part you take it. You take a book or classwork, fill in the blanks. There are 10 fill in the blanks are there. One by one I will read it. You follow it. Yes, the first one is, the universe was formed after dash explosion. Already you know that one. What explosion? What theory it is? Big Bang theory. Yes, so here you have to, what's the answer? Big Bang. BIG BANG. Big Bang explosion. Then second one, dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Yes, suppose if you want to measure the distance between the school and your home, means you can say it in kilometer. Yes, but in the solar system, everything, the celestial bodies, planets, everything, the distance will be more. You know that one, no? So which unit is used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies? What is the answer? Light year. Yes, light year is the answer. Light year is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Then third one, dash is the center of solar system. Yes, you know the solar system. So what will be present? The sun and also the planets. Am I correct? So which is present at the center? Sun is present at the center. So sun is the center of the solar system. Fourth one, the word planet means. What is meant by planet? While taking the lesson, I explained it. Wanderer. The word planet means wanderer. Fifth one, dash planet has many natural satellites. So which is the answer? Jupiter. Jupiter planet has many natural satellites. India's first ever mission to the moon is, yes, India's first ever mission to the moon is, answer is Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1. The next one, seventh one, Earth is inclined by dash degrees. Earth is inclined by dash degrees, that is 23 and a half. Yes, you have to write 23, and then in fraction you have to write 1 by 2. Yes, so Earth is inclined by 23 and a half degrees. Eighth one, the equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash. On which date they are asking? The equator faces the sun directly on 21st March and 23rd September. 21st March and 23rd September. Ninth one, at the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun. Whether it is closest or farthest they are asking. So at the time of perihelion, the earth is closest to the sun. Then 10th one, the line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is, what line? Dash. That is terminator line. What is the answer? Terminator line. Then coming to choose the correct answer. Yes, the first one, The movement of the earth on its axis is called dash. Revolution, season, rotation, circulation. So which one is the answer? Rotation. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. When it is moving around the sun means it is revolution. Understood? Difference between rotation and revolution. Here the question is asked the movement of the earth on its axis. If it is on its axis, the answer will be rotation. Then question 2, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22. On which date? December 22. Then third one, the galaxy in which our solar system is found in. What galaxy we are living in? Milky Way galaxy. What is the answer? Milky Way. Fourth one, the only celestial body where man has successfully landed is the only celestial body where man has successfully landed as moon. Yes, answer is moon. Next one, which of the following planets can float on water? Which planet can float on water? Answer is Saturn. Yes, for this, when you are answering, writing the answer for choose the correct answer, you have to put the question number properly and also you have to write the option, whether it is A, B or C, like that. You have to find out while writing the answer, you have to write the option also. From now itself, you get that practice. Then only you can face the exam in a proper manner. Yes, then see, that is the third one is circle the odd one out. Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn. Answer is Venus. What is the answer? Venus. Second one, Sirius, Andromeda, Milky Way, Magellanic Clouds. Answer is Sirius. Third one, Pluto, Eris, Ceres and Io. Io is the answer. Comet, asteroids, meteorites, dwarf planets. Dwarf planets is the answer. Rover, orbiter, aeroplane, space shuttle. Aeroplane is the answer. Yes. So when you are answering for the circle the odd one out, if you find time, you can write all the 4 things and you can circle it. Otherwise, you can write the question number and answer alone you can write without any spelling mistake. You can see the answer with the spelling and you can write it legibly. Okay children, the next one is match the following. So for this is important instruction I am giving. While you are writing match the following, you have to write left hand side as well as answer on the right hand side. Direct answer you have to write. Many notebooks you have written only the answers 1, 2, 3 like that. Yes. So for the first time I have corrected some half mark like that, but hereafter I won't give mark. So when you are writing match the following, you have to write both left hand side and right hand side. So first one, hottest planet Venus. Hottest planet is Venus. Ringed planet is Saturn. Ringed planet Saturn. Third one, red planet Mars. Red planet Mars. Somersaulting planet Uranus. What is meant by somersaulting? Kutti karna adikirathu. Is rolling like a ball. Somersaulting planet means Uranus. Then fifth one, coldest planet is Neptune. So answer, hottest planet Venus, ringed planet Saturn, red planet Mars, somersaulting planet Uranus and coldest planet Neptune. Yes. The next, consider the following statement. For this unit test, you need not worry about this. So whatever I gave revision for this, that is choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, circle the odd one out, match the following. You read then and there with the spelling. Hard words you write 1 or 3 times like that. Prepare for the unit test well. Okay children. So in next class we will revise, name the following, answer in brief, give reasons and detail. Okay children. Thank you children.